Yo, what's up, dudes? North Carolina, what's up, Diego? Nice to see you, dude. Sup. Good morning, dudes. Up or down and open? Shoot, man. I ain't a fortune teller, brother. We'll see. Yeah, short at 80 was good. Sorry, guys. I need to figure out my password for my. I signed out of my email and now I can't get into YouTube Music. Do you pay a lot of taxes? Yes. An absurd amount. Thank you, California, and thank you, 1099 income. What the heck, dude? Do they not have a forgot your password thing? Hey, what's up, dudes? What do you think of the game last night, dude? I haven't watched football or the Super Bowl ever. But I hope you guys made money or enjoyed it. Good morning, Ike. Let's go, dude. Dude, what the hell is my freaking password? Good meeting you in Miami. Oh, what's up, SRQ? What's up, brother? Good to see you. Yeah, it was great meeting you. Okay, 2 minutes to open. I have 2 minutes to figure this freaking thing out, boys. And I can't even open up my notes. Gosh darn it. Okay, whatever. I'll just pay for a separate subscription. Don't flash your screen again. I know, dude. No way. Not again. Whatever. You know what? No music for now. Let's play the open. So on open, guys, this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at this repair right here at 25.104 and 25.116. I'm gonna size down. It's Monday. How I play Mondays is I'm sized down into them. And then once I get some confidence and some buffer going, then I can get a little crazy. Okay, so let's see if we drop 36, maybe longs off 20. Ah, son of a bitch. Are you kidding me? Oh, nice drop. I'm gonna see a long 80 here. Trying it. Trying it, trying it, trying it. I still like it. I still like it. Still like it. Yes! Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Order filled.
Taking it.
Order filled.
Oh, fuck yeah, dude. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Hell yeah. Let's go. That's gonna be done for the day on Top Step. And done for... No, I'm not done for the session here. I think I want to end it with... Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. That's what I'm talking about, dudes. It's all about expectancy. Like, 10-point stops let you have with those multiple entries with higher expectancy on your second entry. And I still like longs. I still like longs into those repairs up top. But this is a heavy move, though. Did you guys catch that? Morning, morning, morning. Camera shy, altitude, futures farmer. Good morning, guys. 200 is... Oh my gosh, it's gonna clean it up. It's gonna clean up that top side. But it's pretty volatile right now, and with 10-point stops, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful with exactly this type of movement. I would take it a little easier. I want to do another long, maybe off 97. Too slow. Too freaking slow, dude. I wanted that long so bad. All good. Yeah, join bid is just too slow right now. Yes, grab the low. Let's go, baby. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Let's go. Maybe a retest on 80 for longs. I think this gets cleaned up to downside to 80 at the least, and then we can see if long side is the play. First time here, love your stuff. Hell yeah, Dominican do. Let's go. Are you from the Dominican Republic? Because if so, you might see me there. My wife, see myself and my wife there soon. What time frame's on mobile screen? 200-second. Yeah, so we're cleaning up those repairs to the top side. That's what's next, I believe. Kind of an interesting rejection spot there. Ran previous, right, barely ran previous 200-second high. Rejected. Be careful. Let's go. Trader Bob. Super Casio off 20 longs. Love it. So right now, kind of you're stuck between a rock and a hard place. So you have these two repairs pulling price up, but you also have like this overall structure is an H. I wonder if I could show it here. Let's see. Overall structure, you're kind of putting in that H, right? So, bit of a rock and a hard place situation. Probably best to wait on next 10-minute open. So until then, watch you on PW, like how humble you are. Sweet, dude. Thank you so much. Yeah, right now 10-point stops get freaking murdered, dude. If your entry is wrong, 10-point stops get murdered. Oh, yeah. Caught 2 nice scouts. Would you consider streaming using Project X? Well, I have Project X up right now with Top Step. And looks like they haven't had any issues. Top Step themselves, though, have been doing some crazy stuff. Like, no bueno. 10 points too small. Better to go with small size and widen the stops. That's just not how I trade, my bro. I do not trade that way. Do you recommend one 150K account for TBT or multiple 50Ks? Well, you have to judge your own ability. So if you go back to your previous success, did you have success with larger accounts and keeping them for longer, or did you have success with kind of like a churn and burn style? I mean, if you're staying relatively small sized and you're not, slamming minis, then 50Ks are probably all right. We're gonna go clean up that repair, right? All eyes on 105. See your reaction on 105. So if you hit your marked repairs, what is your play? The play is to see the reaction off the repair. You see the reaction, and then you take a play off of that. So we have back-to-back repairs at 104 and 117. They wouldn't randomly ban people. They probably did hedge. I totally agree. They did. If you notice, a lot of them are kind of like grouping up on Twitter, trying to get them to reverse the changes. I'm sure that there was some mistakes, but they only said like less than 1% of people got that hedge email. And a lot of them are very outspoken on Twitter, which makes you think, makes you wonder. Coming up, first 10-minute candle about to close. Beautiful. So cross section at 25.055. Keep that in mind. Good morning, Sean. But I honestly do. No, I didn't figure them out. You're gonna have to give me a little time on that. What's up, Alpine? You beautiful, beautiful Polish man. Yeah, you're gonna have to give me a little time on those accounts. I can't really expedite that process. Coming up on 105, repair. Not taking the initial short off it, because we have this one right here at 117. Might take that short though. Maybe off 123. I'll take that short if it's a capitulation move into it. Alpine, you trade this morning session? Oh, here we go. Let's see. About to grab the repair. Repair grabbed. Get me in. Okay, we're in. 123. Good initial reaction. Ah, damn, I should have taken that scalp. I still like it. Oh, where's my joint bid? Still like it. I wanted to go with 2 minis on this. Damn. Why is, damn it. That's what I'm talking about, dude, today. These 10-point stops are killing me. Because I'm getting freaking wicked out immediately. I still like the short back into it. Might take a little more on this. Let's see. There was 10 points on that. Whoa! I thought I took my take profit off. Guess not. Did anyone see? Did I take my take profit off? Or is that just a mistake? So, I mean, just goes to show, right? 10-point stops can murder you, but they also, that's how I keep my risk in check. Oh, okay, I was still showing TP. Damn. I still like this short entry. I think I'm just married to short side right now. Not a good place to be in. Yeah, I'm just married to short side. I need to relax. Bouncing off the cross here. It would be good to take some off. Ugh. No way, dude. Come on. Oh, that's gonna tilt me. Oh, no way. It was a tick away. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. That's a tilter. That's a tilter. That was one tick away from getting TP filled. God damn it. I still like shorts, dude. I'm so married to short side. I'm tilted, dudes. Freaking tilted. It's like barely missing me too. I think what's going on is I'm so married to the short side right now. I'm so married to the short side. Just want these shorts to, and I'm forcing it. That's what's ultimately happening is I'm forcing the trade. When the market is just so strong right now. I'm gonna give it one more attempt at 80. Whoa. Let's go. Let's see if we get this. It's fine. Still like it. I like it a lot. Dude, it's just barely missing. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. One more trade. One more trade to get basically back to where we started from. I'm just scalping. I'm scalping this move up. What can I say? I'm married. I'm married to the position today. All good. Try another 80 short. I'll take that. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. It's all good. It's all good. I'm going against the trend hardcore, so I can't do these 15 pointers. Dude, I know. I missed my freaking I missed my fill right here at right here. I missed it. I had it at 20.5 and it went to 20.75, dude. And that's like my tilt trigger. Like as soon as that happens, I'm like, wow, 40 points off 80. Let's go. 50. Oh, like the stream, fellas. Please. I really appreciate it. 50 points. 60 points. Holy smokes. Who's taking these 20 longs? I'm staying out. I can feel my my trigger going right now. 20 long is good for freaking 20 points though. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Here's your Casio for the session. Yeah, this Lucid account is stacked, dude. Got like $33,000. So I'm okay taking a little more risk. Now market's getting a little interesting. So we have this canary candle. I call them canary candles, like canary in the coal mine, where you have this just sharp drop, and now you get to clean up some of this downside. Cross section long at 25,120. Yeah, you could have taken that for sure. It's good for 15 at least. I'm just not very enthused about long side right now. Mondays, so statistically for me, Mondays and Fridays are like my worst days as far as setups go. Mondays and Fridays. So I try to keep my risk relatively small. Dropped this wick low. Retesting repair. Could possibly be a scalp long here. Gonna try it. Okay, so trade debate's lagging. I don't know if you guys saw that. Trade debate is lagging. Scalp long worked out for Casio and some. I am happy with that. And trade debate is lagging, so be careful. It's not putting bracket orders immediately, and it's not taking me out of my position immediately, which is not good. That means risk is off. What a nice move though, off 80. If you blind shorted 80 with 10-point stop, you wouldn't have gone stop down. 3K morning, nothing big. I didn't lose big today. I won small. Nothing big. I didn't lose big today. I won small. $3,000 is a good morning, my friend. You crushed it. I locked in 6,000 with Take Profit Trader. I did like a $6,000 payout with Take Profit Trader. I think I'm over $250,000 on them since last week. And 1,500 on the Top Step XFAs. And I did base hits on basically everything else. Lucid payout locked in. So today's gonna be like 10,000 to the bank. Headphone watching. Thanks, Futures Geek. Appreciate you. Added 700 to one top step account and 500 to another. Requesting Tuesday. Let's go, Skyart. That's my boy. Do you use a copy trader platform or just switch between? It depends. So take profit right now, since I've gotten such a huge return. I just do one at a time now. If it's like Lucid or Apex or Funded Next, I'll segregate them. So, I'll do firm by firm by firm, but I won't copy trade across the firms. Bro, am so unprofitable. How to make it? Man, it's a loaded question. That is a loaded question, dude. I'll say this. I'll say this, not to like toot my own horn. But if you watch the streams and you take the nuggets of information, there's guys in my Discord that have went from where you were at, nothing, really struggling, to making 25, 50, 100. There's a guy that made he smoked me. I mean, Kumar, shout out Kumar. He made half a mil in January. And it's a blessing to see, but it just goes to show that if you stick to a system and there's not a lot of bullshit, you can make it. $50Ks or 150Ks? 150Ks. For me, always 150Ks. How often do you take the 80-20 levels? I don't take them every single time, but this morning I basically did all my setups off 80 and 20. It's not for, you can't join it. I don't have it for sale. It's just guys that I personally invite, and they're actually like my friends. Like everybody there I know on almost a first name basis. So the Discord is not for sale. But if I get to know you and I see that there's potential, then you might get an invite. I'm gonna buy 150K Lucid Flex, going for a long haul, keeping Apex and my fund futures as a short haul. Dude, that's the way I kind of, you have quote unquote lunch money firms, and then you have the big hitters. So you could get 5 Lucid Flex 150Ks, code 8020 gang. I would really appreciate it. And you have the big hitters. So you have the Lucid 150K Flex, you have Apex big accounts, you have Top Step big payouts. So those are kind of your breadwinners. Those are the accounts where you really make money, and then obviously take profit trader. And you also have the lunch money firms, so my funded futures. What else did you say? My funded futures. Oh, and Apex. I wouldn't call Apex like a. The thing with Apex, you can stack base hits, and if you don't care about payout windows or 8 days or any of that bullshit, it becomes like a huge win. Are you from Ukraine or Russia, bro? No, my parents are from Moldova. I was born here. I was born in California. My parents are from Moldova, and my grandma's from Ukraine. My grandpa's from Poland. Do you swing trade? Yes, I do, but with a much larger equity position. 120 just keeps bouncing for easy money. Yeah, that's right, baby. Just another Monday, high win. I love it. For a beginner who is still confused to stick with a strategy, getting FOMO and overtrading after a loss, any suggestions? Like, we're learning about this market more and get good psychology. Psychology really comes into play after after you start making money, to be honest. I wouldn't really worry about psychology. A lot of people say that psychology is the most important part. It is, to an extent, after a certain point in your trading. It is the most important part, but you have to have a system that works. I mean, what point is psychology if you can't freaking make money? You know what I mean? Which account do you use for cash trading? I have a personal trade rate account, and then I have a options account on Webull. Love the teaching. Thanks, OGD. I'm also from Moldova. Let's go. Thanks, Gary. I appreciate you. Bullnox? Yeah, I mean, Bullnox is such a dark horse. Nobody really trades them seriously. I don't know how to say it. Like, I don't either. And I don't know why. Like, they offer a good product. I think it's the scaling plans that they have with the scaling accounts. San Diego. Trade review time? Yeah, sure. I mean, we can do that. I guess it's just about that time. I don't really see any other setups. We're kind of just chopping around. So yeah, let's do a trade review. So initially we had off open, we had these two repairs, right? So we had, let me pull it up on my computer so you guys can see. So we had this repair right here at 104, and we had another one at 117. So that off the open are my magnets for upside. We sold off, and then I took a position at 980, instant stop out for 10 points, and then keeping the magnets in mind, I took another one off of 66, and we rode those out for 15. I think it was an instant 15, right? So that was my first entry, and then I wanted to fade the repair, so I took a stab short at 20. I think a couple times it got stopped out, and we had a great short at 80 twice at 80. So really today was a straightforward kind of levels day, not really structure aside from these two repairs, which were our magnets for the morning session. Yeah, that's the thing with Bullnox. You can't do those big accounts because they have terrible activation fees. Okala, I watched you on PW. Thank God I have improved. Thanks to you. Hoping one day to become one of your friends. Okay, Carl. Yeah, for sure. I'm really stoked to hear that you've had success. I would have taken this 20 short if it wasn't for the close of this 200-second candle. This 200-second candle is a terrible close. It's like we're back to chopping. Living in Germany, great. Bro, can you please just describe a 10-minute candle for shorts, what levels you watch for reversal repairs? It's pretty straightforward. I watch 80s and I watch 20s. And there's a couple levels in between, but just master 80s and 20s first. There's like levels in between that I use that align with some options data, but I'm so confident now. Thanks. You are the best. Thanks, Carl. I love reading that. So we did our trade review. We had a solid session. Did a base hit on Lucid accounts. Locked in some payouts. Market's just chopping right now. I guess I gotta do some shameless plugs since I'm on a YouTube streamer now. Please, guys, I would really appreciate it, if you guys enjoy the streams, if you use code 8020gang for mostly all prop firms. I really would appreciate it. If you want to have a deeper dive with, you don't want to go through all the streams and do all that. I do have a PDF that I put up on 8020prop.com. I made it pretty much, I think anybody can really afford it. It has all my setups on there. Did Simba let you back in? No, dude. We even hugged it out. The guy didn't let me back in. Freaking A. All good. I'm not gonna keep that horse beaten. It's all good. He doesn't want to. It's all good. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. It's 42 minutes. Next session, I'm gonna try to push for an hour. I'm pushing for that hour. We're gonna do it. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you. Hopefully you made some money with me. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe. Probably. Okay.